The best part about visiting these companies is that usually when we have networking events, you meet a lot of the people and thereby build a more meaningful and sustainable connection that could actually yield to give you a job or something in the future.
It was really nice to have the opportunity to come here to London and visit the company and have direct access and a practical view of what we're learning in class, but also to see the day-to-day life of investment bankers, sales and traders, understand the dynamic and lifestyle of the people working here.
For us, these visits have been an extension of our classroom learning. Our visits have allowed us to have what we learn in class, the concepts, come alive. Classes like risk governance, asset allocation, and investment banking, most especially, we have been able to connect what we have seen here with things that we have learned in class.
They have access to the big companies, they have access to managers, and they have access to employees, and they can see what is the daily work in the city.
I think the highlight would be being able to meet with people from all sorts of levels. We have also met with high-level employees and junior employees at different companies. We've been able to interact with HR. We've seen the kind of job descriptions, the gender disparity in between all of these jobs. So it's really interesting to look at that. It also helps to actually visit a company like this and see what the environment's like. And I think that is probably the best part of the trip for me. It's being in London and being able to envision myself in where I could be one day.